Okay.
Shit, I don't even know what to say. December 18th, right? December 18th.
December 18th. What's going down up there?
We're doing, well, for the rim race, we're doing a little award ceremony. We got a nighttime car show.
Nighttime car show. That's unusual,
we
man.
Like 5 years. Yeah.
Nighttime car show. Yeah.
Nighttime car show. Oh, ugly sweater contest too.
Oh, ugly sweater.
Oh, I got half the outfit on from
I need to find my grandma. I need to go to my grandma's house. She probably got an ugly sweater over there. It started at 9 o'clock, y'all. It's gonna be a Hookah Hot Rod. Sick One in the building with the follow. Daniel Renner. Like he be renting stuff and don't be paying y'all. Daniel. Joe Lunch Bucket in the building. Let me go see. Damn, man. I guess Hog Wild running hot or something, man. Come on with it, man. What's up with it, man? Boom. Huh? Not much. I just been looking around, buying drinks from y'all. Buying drinks from y'all. You know, I got my own drink up here. You can just go up there and be like, let me get a lookout. And they know what you're talking about. Really? What is it? It's like the blue margarita and the red margarita mixed together with a shot of Hennessy.
That's weak shit.
That bitch ain't weak though.
It's weaker than I got.
Nah, I mean, you can't do two of them. It's just something. What you trying to do, get fucked up off one drink or two?
Yeah, I would say it's
okay, I don't want to know yet then. See, I'm trying to relax. I ain't trying to have one drink to last me all night. I'm trying to have me.
take sips.
Yeah, man, I be trying, but I sip fast. That's too much. Oh, man. See, they be trying to go too fast, y'all.
Well, you must stay here, man.
Still getting fixed. Yeah. That fire threw me off. Yeah, that fire threw me off, man. That fire threw me off. Oh, Omar here, y'all. Let me see. Where the hookah at? Hell yeah. God damn, it's a big bag. It big is good. Man, what's this, bubble gum?
It is melon cucumber.
Oh, melon cucumber. I taste all that shit. Melon cucumber, y'all. Watch this. Hold on, let me show y'all. God damn. Boy, this a bad bitch. Function, you ever play with one of these? Look. God damn. Look, bro, Django's talking about how much? How much? How much is this shit?
That's about
$250 for everything, man. Everything that went up, fool. It's $250 to blow a cloud nowadays, y'all.
You can get cheaper.
Well, you can get cheaper ones.
You can get a nice one for $80.
You can get a nice one for $80. Too much. I'll stick to my Campbell 99s. Man, your cameras ain't doing this. Look. Ooh, your shit ain't doing that. Oh, Function said he on the smoke meth. Damn. My boy said it's close to it, man. You can get to this shit. I hope not. Man, I had to quit. I had about
Mint or mint?
mint. Oh, he thought he said mint, fool. I had bought one of these from his ass, man. Man, I was smoking that shit for about a week, fool. Next thing I know, I got sick in a bitch, man. I was sick, fool. I think that's when COVID probably came out, fool. It was some cheap juice. Man, I got sick. I thought I had pneumonia. I couldn't do nothing, fool. I was like, this shit ain't working right. But I always hit it when I go over to their shop and don't nothing happen. So I'm just acting like I'm at their shop.
Let's get to the
This shit everlasting smoke.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Boo, goddamn.
Hey, man, you see track rules? Track rules, your ass lose. Track rules.
That shit y'all say on your podcast, so that shit wrong. We already don't check it. Y'all talking about red light race over. That ain't how that shit go.
I thought that's how it went, man. They've been teaching me.
Nah, they teaching you wrong.
Nah, they've been teaching me to cook. I'm still working on it. I'm having some wiring issues since I caught my shit on fire.
Wiring issues?
Yeah. Hey, go to Savage. Let me know when you back, man. Go to Savage. You back in here?
Huh? Yeah.
Golly.
I just want my own video. I want no excuse. Just my own video.
Golly. Cut back off, y'all. Man, I'm finna get you. Whoa, what's that? Oh, they cleaning the track, man. Y'all look. Is they betting online?
Anybody betting in the comments?
Nah, they ain't betting. Anybody want to bet on the comments?
Shit, they valid. I ain't cash at this moment.
No, they ain't betting.
That's what you got. Oh, you got 29.
29, yeah. 29, they in there 29.
Hey, y'all need to share it with y'all's uncle.
Let me see what they got. Oh, my other phone dead.